In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the sound feedback that plays when you change the volume on your MacBook. This is the small sound effect your Mac can play whenever you increase or decrease the volume. It can be useful because it lets you hear the volume level as you adjust it. To get started, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, click on System Settings. Once System Settings opens, look on the left-hand side and click on Sound. Now go to the Sound Effects section. Here, look for the option called Play Feedback when volume is changed. If this option is turned off, simply switch it on. Once enabled, your Mac will play a small feedback sound whenever you change the volume using your keyboard, touch bar, or volume controls. You can test it right away by pressing the volume up or volume down key on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully turned on volume feedback on macOS. Now each time you adjust the volume, your Mac will give you an audio preview of the sound level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.